What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan Shoe Man, and in case you didn't know, I like shoes. This shoe came out yesterday. I was a little lazy, had a little not too many things to do yesterday afternoon after I picked these up, but too many for me to make a video same day. I gave you the quick look, and somebody said it was clickbait because I had other stuff in the video too, but there was a fire red in my hand in the video. But anyways, this is in hand in the shoe room. Still haven't decided on a name for the shoe room. Nothing really felt right. But I need to give you a word from our sponsor first. Atticus, who is our sponsor?
Jesus.
Jesus. How do you spell Jesus? J-E-S-U-S. Jesus. All right. This is a new one. Matthew chapter 16, verses 24. I think it's just 24. Then Jesus said to his disciples, so this is Jesus talking, if any of you wants to be my follower, you must give up your own way, take up your cross, and follow me. Just 24. If any of you wants to be my follower, you must give up your own way, take up your cross, and follow me. Atticus, have you ever taken up your cross? No. Just say no. Yeah.
No.
Literally, we don't take up crosses. Jesus took up his own cross. He walked it down the street for himself to be crucified on. We don't actually have a cross to pick up. Stop sniffing. It's disgusting. Right by the phone. We don't actually have a cross to pick up. But that was Jesus's mission while he was here on earth. That's why he was here. He was here to be crucified. He was here to be sacrificed for me. And like my normal verse is Matthew chapter 27. He was on the cross and he was being forsaken. God sent him to be forsaken so that he could take our place. And like I said, that was his mission. And what I think he means here by take up your cross is that we each have our own mission. And he's saying, take up that mission. It's your mission. Take ownership of it, and let's do this. And whatever kind of whatever it is, whatever your idea was, you kind of got to get rid of that one. Now, I do think God enjoys giving us missions that are in a field that we enjoy. And I think right now, one of my missions is to make these videos for y'all and bring y'all a little bit of the word. And it is something I like doing. I like making these videos, but I wouldn't be taking up my cross if I didn't have any of the word in here for y'all. Especially for those of y'all who don't want it here. You get to hear it for a moment, and then we're gonna talk about some shoes. So thanks for the feedback of Atticus. Somebody in one of the last videos said, get rid of the little kid behind the camera recording.
Excuse me?
Yeah, excuse me? No. He said, get rid of the kid behind the camera and get rid of the Bible verse, just do the shoes. You know what I said to him?
No way, Jose.
I just said, no thank you. No thanks. So I'm good. We're good. Atticus, Peyton, or Haley is gonna stay behind the camera if they're here. Nobody's here. Then I'll get rid of the kid behind the camera and I'll just sit it up on some boxes. And we're also not getting rid of the word because that is why I'm here.
And the Jesus, when he was carrying his cross up,
yes.
He actually ended up dropping it and someone else had it.
Somebody did help him, yeah. But he had to get up there and do it. And the Bible also says, man, there's so much that can go with this in the Bible. The Bible also says that Jesus kind of actually didn't want to do it. He was like, God, if there's any other way, can we do that? And God was like, no, this is the way. And Jesus was like, all right, let's do it. But God has a plan for your life. He has plans to give you hope. That's another verse. He knew you since before you were knit in your mother's womb. Like he had these plans for you. He has this mission for you. You just have to take it up. So take up your cross. This is currently my cross. You're welcome, even if you didn't want to hear it. You're welcome for that bit of the word. And now we're going to look at the Jordan 3 Fire Red. It's in hand now. I got this. So I got this one on Finish Line exclusive access. I got another one in store at Foot Locker. I didn't go pick it up because Miguel wanted one. I was just going to give him this one, but he ended up hitting somewhere, I think at Foot Locker also. Pretty sure he went in to get it. If he didn't go in to get it, then he can have this one because I don't think I'm going to be like in love with it. But let's see. This comes in the box. It gives you the tech specs that has a heel air sole unit. You get a sock liner. That's great. And you get a 4-foot air sole and a heel sole with, I'm not sure, I can read the rest of this, but maybe we'll take a picture of it, put it up for y'all with the tech specs. I like seeing the tech specs because then you know, and the more you know, right, Atticus? The more you know.
Really?
What?
You got that?
Yeah, why?
Remember?
No.
When we had the other one and I was talking about the purple one?
What about the purple one?
the purple one. I didn't like the red one.
You didn't like this one. This is your mom's.
Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, they're not the same.
They are not the same, you're right.
They
I
did-
need to take both of these out, though, because the purple ones that I ended up taking back had some inconsistencies that I wasn't down with. So, oh man, I'm just making a mess. All right, first, you get the Nike Air. The Cardinal didn't get the Nike Air, right?
Yeah.
I like the Nike Air. I like the Nike Air better than the Jumpman.
Jumpman's just too
So,
lame.
what I've heard from y'all and from Mike Rich, well, from y'all I heard that the Cardinal leather was better. This is worn in, this is not, and this is a little bit softer. The Cardinal's a little bit softer and a little less plasticky, but I think it's mainly because the Cardinal has more tumble. It's like a different tumble. This has less tumble, so I'm not too worried about that yet. But I also heard on Mike Rich's video that the grade school felt better than the men's size. So I'm actually liking this one. I think I'm okay with it. The tumble is consistent across panels, more consistent across panels than the purple one, the dark iris, I guess. But that's because a lot of the dark iris, the leather was more tumbled like this, and then it kind of transitioned into what less tumble like this. So another thing I noticed on Mike Rich's video, I like Mike Rich, so I watch a lot of him, is there was a lot of inconsistency. I mean, he had 3 or 4 pairs that he had in his hand in his mall vlog, and there was a lot of inconsistency, which I think is normal and expected. Inconsistency in the elephant print, and there were some that more like this had thinner black or dark gray pieces, and then there were some that had thicker ones. And this is the right color for the OG, but the darker pieces were very, very thin in the OG. So you're getting some that is and some that isn't, but I don't think any of it is quite as thin as it was in the OG. So it's closer, especially closer than the Fire Red-ish ones have been in the past. The Fire Reds and the Katrinas had really, really thick, really, really dark. It was mostly black. And I actually kind of like that look, it's just not OG, so. No good. Let's see what kind of insole we get. Atticus, what kind of insole you think we get?
Soft.
Soft. So you think we get the good one, the great one, or the bad one? Good, great, or bad?
Great.
Great? I hope so. Great. We got the great one.
Yay.
This is the best polyurethane insole. All right. So I like the color red on the Fire Red better. Can you see the difference in the color to the phone? Can you see it, Atticus?
Yeah.
All right. This is darker. This is brighter. This is deeper, almost like a little bit of purplish in there, maybe, like just barely purple in the red. I mean, it's red, obviously, but it's a darker, deeper red. This is more of a traditional red.
I think I like these ones.
These ones?
Those one, the Fire Reds more than the what are those?
Why?
Because the darker darker elephant print and the redness of it is not like just that purplish color.
You like the red better. Yeah, I like this red better.
And the Nike.
Yeah, I like the Nike Air. I prefer the gray up here over the elephant print up here. I also think I prefer the red grommets as opposed to the orange ones. Now we have to bring in this because this has been since they came out, this has been the 3 that I was planning on keeping. I just don't know which 3 I'm keeping now. So the Desert Elephant, not OG or anything like that. It says Jumpman Air, but the white Jumpman Air on the black back looks really good. I wish
what?
it would look better if it said Nike Air, but it pops right here, the white on the black. I still like I mean, maybe I'm gonna have to keep both of these. I don't know.
Yeah, keep
because
both.
I really do like these.
Why don't you just keep both?
I mean, I still haven't even worn those, so.
You can wear it. It's just for looks. They make the video it makes it poppin'.
Makes it poppin'. All right, maybe I'll keep both. I don't know. Y'all comment down below. Should I keep both of these or not? I think I'm into it. I think I agree that the leather on this, the broken in leather on this grade school Cardinal, I like better than the new leather unworn on this. but it's still not bad, and I think it could break in really nicely. I like the way that it wrinkles when you push it. Really, really over finished leather doesn't wrinkle when you push it. Like, it just stays the same. So I think I like this okay. It's got the good insole. This has the good insole too, though. So y'all comment down below, let me know which one I should keep, or if I should just keep both of them, or if both of them are trash. Y'all be the judge. Y'all let me know. Tell your grandma and ask her what she thinks about these. Get her to comment and tell us what she thinks about these OG Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Had a little bit of a snafu with Marco. Seems like there was an impersonator for Marco, and then the real Marco came in. I did this in my last giveaway. I don't know why I didn't do it this time. I don't remember exactly what I did, but I did something on YouTube to make sure that the person that I was contacting or talking to on Instagram was the same person. And then the person today, the Marco today, edited his comment on the original video. And then I asked the impersonator, maybe he doesn't know. He said, I don't know exactly. I asked him to go edit the original comment. He said, I can't edit the original comment. I don't have the button. Bro, that's because it's not your comment. So maybe there was more than one Marco on that. I don't think so. I typed them all out. I can go back and look, but they have the same avatar picture too, which leads me to believe that somebody's trying to impersonate somebody. And the person that's not able to edit the original comment probably isn't the right Marco. Doesn't that make sense? I guess? Makes sense. But I haven't sent anybody, either one of them, anything yet. So I need to do some determining before I do that. And who seems like the authentic Marco wants the Mystic Navy Jordan 1 lows. So that's probably what I'm going to be sending overseas across to the other side of the world. And man, should I wear one of these today? I'm not really dressed to wear one of these.
Yeah. Well, basically you did.
This doesn't match either of these.
It doesn't match either of these.
Actually, it does kind of match them. Yeah, not really. But
It really does match because when you put them on, you can see that they all end up looking nice.
Okay, we'll see. But y'all let me know what you think about the Fire Reds down below. OGs, they're here. I'm working on getting the Air Jordan 4. It's a rep, like I said, and I know it is. And I'm not saying it's real. This one is not going to be, but I'm working on getting it. Hopefully we'll get it here, get an early review on the rep. We can see what it looks like, see how good. I mean, a lot of these are almost, if not just as good as the OG of the real one. And we can get an early look at it, just for the early look. And what else we have coming at us? We got some more food videos. I made a fish video, but I got so many beef videos first that I cooked the fish last night.
Oh.
Or night before last. Got a video on that just for Grandma Daisy Chung, because she asked for fish. And glad y'all enjoyed that. I actually am going to have a couple new videos coming soon. A new topic. It's another passion of mine. So I've got shoes that is a passion. Fishing is a passion. I'm sorry, not fishing. I was going to say, yes, fishing, yes. Cooking is a passion. I've kind of toned back the fishing in the last year or so, because you know I used to fish like crazy, right?
Apex.
Oh, Apex is a passion. It's not really a passion. Gaming, kind of a passion. But fishing definitely. But also just fish in general. I've kept fish since I was a little kid. I went like way overboard with fish in my early 20s, and I had like hundreds of gallons of tanks, several hundred, multi-hundred gallon tanks. And now I've got a couple new ones that I'm going to set up. I can bring y'all along the way. Kind of tell y'all a cheaper way to get into the hobby in a medium size. I would call it a medium size way. And if y'all are interested in that, let me know down below. But I'll post some videos on them anyway because it's a passion of mine. So I'll make a video on it. And thanks for being here. Thanks for listening to the word. Smash that like button down below. And I'll see y'all next time. Come on, Bola.
You're so pretty. Cheers. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!